Well, good morning, rainy, stormy December 7th, and I'm going to do a little bit more to the van. Um, I'm going to go ahead and do a little more electrical work to it, and this time I'm doing it on the 110. So why don't you come along, watch what I'm doing. Okay, so this is my 30 amp breaker here. Um, it runs over to the rear 30 amp shore power plug, RV shore power plug over there. Well, they run this direction and they come up the post and then they run along here and they run inside the bus on that side where all the electrical is. I don't have a plug for out here in the in this storage bay here under the bed, and I thought it'd be a good spot to go ahead and put me an electrical box right here next to the doorway. See, here's the door of the bus right here, and this is the outside of the bus out here. So that way I can open the two side doors, get a little bit of electrical here. So what I did is I took this 20 amp line here, and I went ahead and I cut it right here. See? So I'm going to go ahead and wire this one single plug on it here with this metal box. And I will put a, oh, where's it at? Here. Oh, here it is. I'll put a metal cover on it too. That way I can get power to the outside of the RV when it's parked. So for doing outside projects, that type of thing. What got me thinking about this is watching the van build and all the people plugging into their RVs, and I went, hey, you know what, I can't do that here. I don't have an outside plug, so this will serve as my outside plug. Alright, I'm going to get started. Okay guys, I'm back with you here. I decided to go with this this box here that has the side mount, so I can put it, well, I got my cable jammed there. Sorry for shaking around. I don't have a stand to hold the camera right now, but I decided I'd put the side mount on there so it mounts like that. That way I can pull it off, bring it out here, work on it, then hook it on later, and after I get this plug here put into it. But I want to talk about this right here. These are cable clamps. Make sure you always use those on a metal box, because it could fray there and cause an electrical problem later if you don't. So make sure you use a cable clamp on it. But I've got the wires in here, and I've got an extra wire here. See this red one? This is a 4-wire cable, exterior cable, really heavy-duty cable. That's what I wanted in the bus, though. I wanted, and I also used stranded wire, because stranded wire has a lot more flexibility to it. It can bend and bounce and shake around a little more without breaking. The solid wire could break, so I don't ever use the solid wire in the buses. But I'm just about ready to put that plug in, and once I do that, I'll go ahead and take this and mount it up there where I showed you, and I'll bring you back to that. So I'll see you in a couple. Okay, campers, so I now have a plug. So everything looks pretty good in here. I did add something else too. I was keeping it a secret from you. That there is a battery maintainer. I installed it right there, and I just have some clips hanging down here right now. Let me get them. So those will clip onto the negative and positive right there, and it plugs in. The plug comes off at the top here, see, and it goes up into the kitchen, and it plugs into the kitchen outlet. So I think that'll help keep the batteries all maintained. It's a smart charger, and it's 6 amp. And it'll go clear down to 0.09 amps. for battery maintenance. And I think this thing will work out pretty good. I'm hoping it will anyway. I haven't tested it yet. But I'll do that here real soon. Okay, I think that's it for right now. I'll catch you guys on the flip-flop here. Hey guys, I found something in the store. I think I'm going to leave this in the bus too. It's an Accurite weather forecaster. It has inside and outside temperatures. It gives you a little forecast, what to wear, that type of thing. Here it is right here. And shows that it's 54 degrees and it's 56 degrees inside the bus here. And it's got the date, time, everything on it too. It's battery powered. The sensor's outside. And yeah, I was thinking about maybe just hooking some Velcro to the bottom of it and just maybe just set it up there or something. Just it'll be fine there. If it had a flat back, I'd put it over here on this side over here. You know, put it up here in the corner or something like that. But it's got kind of a curved, funny back on it, so I'll just Velcro the bottom, stick it right here. It'll be fine. Yeah, I thought it's just a little added extra in here. Might come in handy, who knows. All right, so right now, look at my mess. I still got that stupid fan hanging there too. And yeah, it hasn't improved in age either. Look at that. Okay, so that's it for right now. I'll talk to you guys later.